Welcome to video number 276, and this is lecture number 15 on major environmental issues in a series of lectures on natural resource and environmental economics. Let me start with the introduction. Our Mother Earth is currently facing a lot of environmental issues and problems. The environmental problems include global warming, acid rain, air pollution, urban sprawl, waste disposal, ozone layer depletion, water pollution, climate change, and many more that affect every human, animal, and nation on Earth. For the last few decades, the exploitation of our planet and the degradation of the environment has gone up at an alarming rate. As our actions have been not in favor of protecting this planet, we have seen natural disasters striking us more often in the form of flash floods, earthquakes, blizzards, tsunamis, cyclones, hurricanes, tornadoes, and etc. Our Mother Earth, different environmental groups around the world play their role in educating people as to how their small actions, when combined together, can play a big role in protecting our mother planet. If we look at the environment around us, we can see that there are a number of issues that come to our attention. Major environmental issues include pollution, global warming, water scarcity, biodiversity loss, and many more problems. But in this video, we will discuss only these four. Let me also remind you about a quotation by Evo Morales. Sooner or later, we will have to recognize that the earth has rights too to live without pollution. What mankind must know is that human beings cannot live without Mother Earth, but the planet can live without humans. So it means we must be very careful about the health of the Mother Earth. We must take care of it. If we don't take care of it, we won't be able to live on Earth. Let me start with the first concern, that is pollution. Pollution is the unfavorable alteration of our surroundings wholly or largely as a byproduct of man's action through direct or indirect effects of the changes in the energy pattern, radiation levels, and chemical and physical constitution and abundance of organisms. Pollution is a global problem which is common to both developed as well as developing world that attracts the attention of human beings for its severe long-term consequences. Depending upon the nature of pollutants and also subsequent pollution of environmental components, the pollution may be categorized as follows: air pollution, water pollution, soil and land pollution, noise pollution, radioactive pollution, and thermal pollution. Now we start with air pollution. Among the various types of pollution, air pollution is the main type which threatens the environment, humans, plants, animals, and all living organisms. Pollution of air, water, and soil takes a huge number of years to recover. Industry and engine vehicle fumes are the most obvious toxins. Substantial metals, nitrates, and plastic are poisons in charge of pollution. While water contamination is brought about by oil slicks, acid rain, and urban sprawl, air contamination is created by different gases and poisons discharged by businesses and manufacturing plants and burning of fossil fuels. Soil contamination is majorly created by mechanical waste that takes supplements out of the soil. The second source of pollution is water pollution. If we think about clean drinking water, it is turning into a common thing. Water is turning into a monetary and political concern as the human populace battles for this need. What waste from industrial and agricultural activities pollute the water that is used by humans, animals, and plants. Then there is soil and land pollution. which simply means degradation of the Earth's surface as a result of human activities like mining, littering, deforestation, industrial construction and agricultural activities. Land pollution can have a huge environmental impact in the form of air pollution and soil pollution, which in turn can have an adverse effect on human health. Then there is noise and light pollution, which is another common form of pollution which causes temporary disruption when there is an excessive amount of unpleasant noise. Construction activities, industrialization, and an increase in vehicular traffic, lack of urban planning are a few of the causes of noise pollution. The second major concern regarding environmental issues is global warming and climate change. This is another environmental concern that has surfaced in the last couple of decades. Environmental change has different destructive impacts that include but not limited to melting of polar ice, change in seasons, new sicknesses, and change in the general climate situation. The third concern is that of water crisis and scarcity. Water covers 70% of our planet, and it is easy to think that it will always be plentiful. However, as far as fresh water is concerned, this is incredibly rare. And fresh water is the stuff that we drink, bath in, irrigate our farm fields with. But only 3% of the world's water is fresh water, and 2/3 of that is tucked away in frozen glaciers or otherwise unavailable for our use. Consequently, some 1.1 billion people worldwide lack access to water, and a total of 2.7 billion find water scarce for at least 1 month of the year. Inadequate sanitation is also a problem for 2.4 billion people. They are exposed to diseases such as cholera and typhoid fever and other waterborne diseases. 2 million people, mostly children, die each year from diarrheal diseases alone. At the current consumption rate, this situation will get worse. By 2025, 2/3 of the world's population may face water crisis and shortage, and the ecosystems around the world will suffer even more. The fourth major environmental issue of concern is loss of biodiversity. This is yet another casualty due to the impact of human beings on the environment. It is the result of 3.5 billion years of evolution. Due to the excess use of natural resources and impact of human beings on the environment, habitat destruction is a major cause of biodiversity loss, and this loss is caused by deforestation, overpopulation, pollution, and global warming. Ladies and gentlemen, this was a brief video lecture about major environmental issues and concerns. So this implies that we must be very careful about the global warming, the impacts of climate change on agriculture and other aspects. Similarly, pollution is also causing a problem regarding health diseases, waterborne diseases, and so on. So we must do something to save our mother planet so that we can live in harmony with the environment and peace. If you like the video, kindly give us a thumbs up and hit the red button to subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to click on this bell icon so that you can get notification about other videos that we will upload for you soon. Kindly share this video with your friends, colleagues, and students so that they can also get benefit. I thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch up you in another video.